This is Dave Espino, and this is the eBay Apprentice Program, how to make your first $3,100 on eBay and build a full-time income from home. Welcome to my brand new eBay Apprentice Program. It's designed to get you off to the best start on eBay by making your first $3,100 right away and then building on that early success. Now, why do I use the number $3,100? Well, a survey conducted by Nielsen Research revealed that the average American household has over $3,100 in unused items just laying around their home. So the idea is to start with those unused items that you have laying around your home and use that as your training wheels for success. Once you've learned how to sell those initial $3,100 of unused items, you'll be an expert, and especially with the training that you get here. So I'm going to actually walk you through exactly how to do it right the first time so that you remove any trial and error that most people need to do when they start on eBay. You'll be learning from a top eBay expert, someone who's been responsible for thousands of real-world success stories on eBay, and this is your shortcut to success. Your speaker is Dave Espino. I began selling on eBay in February of 1999. With sales as high as $12,000 a week, I was one of eBay's original power sellers. I've sold tens of thousands of items on eBay and on my own websites. I've been interviewed by eBay Radio, Forbes.com, and have appeared on all major cable networks. I've helped 300,000 people learn how to make money on eBay, and my mission is to help over 1 million people learn how to make money from home. Now, the goals for this eBay Apprentice program are really simple: to give you the best foundation for eBay success now and into the future, to teach you the right ways to begin your eBay business so that you don't have to unlearn bad habits in the future, and to help you make your first $3,100 by selling the items from around your home and teach you additional ways to creatively source high-demand, profitable eBay products. This course consists of 4 main modules. Here's what you're going to get in module number 1. A quick guide to easily determine the best-selling items from around your home. How to quickly and easily determine the value and the pricing of each item. My system for choosing the best listing format for each item. Do you go with an auction format or do you go with a buy it now format? I'm going to show you exactly how to choose the right listing format. My pyramid of value concept, which helps you determine the best place to sell different items. Here's what you're going to get in module number 2, sourcing additional inventory. I'm going to show you how to source additional inventory at flea markets, at thrift stores, through Craigslist, on eBay itself, and how to use your cell phone to make money as well, and much, much more. Let's talk about module number 3. It's all about listing. I'm going to walk through the elements of a successful listing. I'm actually going to demonstrate how to list an item on eBay. I'm going to give you some photography and Photoshop tips, real simple tips that can make your photos stand out and drive a lot more sales to your eBay listings. I'm also going to show you my proven listing techniques that boost your sales, and much, much more. And here's what you're going to get in module 4, shipping and advanced eBay tips. I'm going to show you how to get high DSR ratings, and those are detailed seller ratings. I'm going to show you how to use eBay shipping to ship out your items. I'm going to also show you how to properly package your items so they arrive safely. How to get your shipping supplies for free or inexpensive. And then I'm going to show you some advanced strategies for listing. I'm also going to talk about the best items to source for high profits as well, and much, much more. So I hope you're excited, as I am, to learn these amazing ways to get started on eBay the right way and avoid all the hassles and all the mistakes that people make when they're getting started on eBay. This is going to be your shortcut to eBay success. Let's get started.